Hi, my name is Nick Vance, and I'm a Technical Support Advisor with One Identity. In this video, we will be discussing how to split the active roles configuration and management history databases. To begin, we need to launch the Active Roles Configuration Center. Once launched, we're going to select the Administration Service tab on the left. This window here gives us details about our administration service, including our service account, our Active Roles admin group, and our Active Roles database configuration. We're going to select Change next to Active Roles Database to begin the process. This brings up a dialog that allows us to modify our database configuration settings. From here, what we want to do is hit this Store Management History Data in a separate database checkbox down on the bottom and click Next. On this window here, we're going to select New Active Roles Database for our management history, unless we're using a pre-created blank database, in which case we would check off this box. Go ahead and click Next to move on. And from here, we want to verify that our SQL Server settings are correct and our database name is something descriptive for our management history. I like to typically just add a -mh to the end to signify management history. And then we select our authentication type, whether it be Windows or SQL. Go ahead and click Next to continue. Now we see a summary of our changes for our configuration and management history. When ready to commit, click Change. Once completed, we should see this screen. Go ahead and select Finish. Afterwards, the Configuration Center will notify us that the administration service needs to be restarted. We'll go ahead and click Restart Now to restart the service. Once the service is restarted, you should notice on the bottom we now have two entries, one for the configuration database and one for the management history database. This can also be verified in the Active Roles console, so we can go ahead and launch that, expand out configuration, server configuration, and then we see configuration databases, which gives us information on our configuration database, and management history databases, which provides information about our management history database. And that concludes our video on splitting the Active Roles database. To learn more about Active Roles, visit support.oneidentity.com.